Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson Our Body. The whole lesson revised in some points. Okay, today we are going to revise the lesson and going to solve the exercise. So see here, let us revise. Point 1, our body contains different organ systems that perform different functions. Our body contains different organ systems and that performs different functions. Point 2, the skeletal system gives shape, support and protection to our body. The skeletal system, what gives skeletal system to our body? The skeletal system gives shape, support and protection to our body. Number 3, the muscular system helps our body to move. Muscular system helps our body to move from one place to another. Number 4, the respiratory system helps our body to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. The function of the respiratory system is take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Now, number 5, the digestive system carries out the process of digestion. The digestive system carries out the process of digestion. Number 6, the circulatory system carries oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. Circulatory system functions are it carries oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. Point 7, the nervous system carries the messages in our body and help us to think and learn. Nervous system, what are the function of nervous system? Nervous system carries the messages in our body and help us to think and learn. Point 8, the sense organs include eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to sense our surrounding. All sense organs, how many are there? Sense organs 5. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to sense our surroundings. Point 9, the excretory system remove waste from our body. The excretory system is made up of kidney, ureterus, urinary bladders and urethra. It helps us to remove waste from our body. Next one is point 10. The reproductive system helps in giving birth to young ones. Reproductive system helps in giving birth. Okay, here lesson division over. Now we are going to solve an exercise. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. In bracket, options are given: digestive, cardiac muscles, blood vessels and nose. Along these options, 4 statements are also there. The 4 sentences are there. A. The blood vessel travels through digestive? No. Cardiac muscle? No. Blood vessels or nose? The blood travels through blood vessels. So, write here blood vessel. Full stop. B. Muscles of heart are called digestive? No. Cardiac muscles? Yes. Muscles of heart are called cardiac muscles. Right here, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. Okay. Now see, we breathe throughout our. Now remain only 2 options, digestive and nose. How we breathe? We breathe through our nose. Right here, nose. Okay. Now last one. Dash dash juices in stomach help to digest the food. Which one juice helps to digest the food? Digestive juice. It is here. Digestive juice. Digestive juice. Digestive juice help to digest the food. It is in stomach. Okay. Now turn the page. Now question number 2. Match the following columns. Here 2 columns are given and one side in A column eyes, B skin, C nose and D digestive system. Here organs are given and in B column touch, food, C smell. Their functions are given. Okay. So you read the carefully that one and you match that one. Eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to see. Okay. Now skin. How skin help us? Skin help us to feel. How when we feel? When we touch the body, touch the skin. That time we feel everything. Okay. Skin, touch. Nose help us to put our smell. Nose help us to smell. And digestive system, what it did? It digest the food. Okay. Here match the following also over. Now answer question number 3. What is there? Answer the following questions. Before answering the question, you read the lesson. Pause the video and read the lesson. Along with read these all questions and find out the answers. All answers have in this one textbook, in this one lesson. So question number A. What is digestion? Turn the page. What is digestion? See in this page 116. Digestive system paragraph is there. What is digestion? Our food is made up of complex substances. Our food is made up of complex substances. These substances are broken down into simpler substances which can be absorbed by the body for proper functioning. This process is called digestion. Our food is made up of complex substances. These substances are broken down into simpler substances which can be absorbed by the body for proper functioning. This process is called digestion. Okay. Now turn the page. Read the second question. Second question. Why do we require sense organs? Why do we require sense organs? Question number B. We need the sense organs includes which one parts? Nose, eyes, okay, ears, tongue, skin. These all are sense organs. The sense organs help us to sense our surrounding. Sense organs help us to sense surroundings. Now question number C. What role does the nervous system play in our body? What role does the nervous system play in our body? Turn the page. C. Nervous system open. What role the nervous system play in our body? The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal The brain receives the different kinds of messages from the sense organs and send out messages to the different parts of the organs to the body to carry certain actions or movement. Okay, in short, the nervous system carry messages in our body and help us to think and learn. The nervous system carries messages in our body and help us to think and learn. Okay, understood kids? Now next question is D. What are involuntary muscles? Two types of muscles are there, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Okay, but here ask what are involuntary muscles? We do not have control over certain muscles. Such as those of the heart and lungs, which works continuously and carry out very important functions. These muscles are known as involuntary muscles. We do not have control over certain muscles. Example, heart and lung, which works continuously and carry out very important functions. These muscles are known as involuntary muscles. Okay. So now last question. What is the function of the heart? What is the function of the heart? Turn the pages. What is the function of the heart? Circulatory system. The circulatory system of our body is made up of heart and blood and tube-like organs called blood vessels. These are what is the function of the heart? The heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. Heart pumps blood to all parts of our body through blood vessels. Heart pumps blood to all parts of our body through blood vessels is the function of the heart. Understood kids? Here are exercise also over. Now you see here value based question. Ronnie consultantly listened to the radio with his earphones on. Ronnie constantly listened to radio with his earphones. Ronnie constantly listening a radio with his earphones. Even when he is studying, this is not a good habit. How do you explain this to him? Yes, it is not a good habit, because when we'll read, we'll concentrate towards our study. Don't divert listening and seeing movement. Don't make any actions when you will sit for study. Understood? No? So it is a bad habit when we'll do study. Listening music is a bad habit. Our concentration is not fully concentrate towards concentration not become 100%. So stop the music listening and we study 100% concentrately. Okay? Now proceed. Collect photographs of different organs in your bodies. Collect photographs of different organs in your body and paste them in your project. Identify their functions and the organ system they belong to. means project it is there. Collect a photograph of different organs of human body, and paste in your project work. Just like a different organ system, skeletal system, organ systems, different organ system in skeletal system, nerve system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, nerve system, and excretory system. These all pictures collect and stick in your project book and write a 4-5 sentence about their functions. Understood, kids? These all exercise you write first in textbook, solve in textbook, then copy down in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.